Hobbies that boost your mind and mood in 2025. In a world that increasingly demands productivity and constant engagement, hobbies have taken center stage not just as leisure activities, but as essential practices for mental and emotional well-being. In 2025, a growing number of people are turning to mind-enhancing hobbies that require minimal gear, can be done in solitude, and translate well into digital storytelling. These hobbies are both relevant and trending because they meet the modern need for balance, creative expression, and personal growth. Whether you're a student, remote worker, content creator, or just someone seeking to upgrade their lifestyle, these hobbies offer a rejuvenating escape from the chaos of everyday life. Journaling and digital mind mapping. Journaling has evolved far beyond the traditional diary. In 2025, it's become a hybrid of art, therapy, and productivity. Digital journaling apps with mood tracking, gratitude logs, and aesthetic templates are booming, especially among Gen Z and millennials. Pairing this with digital mind mapping, using tools like Notion, Milanote, or Obsidian, users are able to structure their thoughts, organize goals, and even plan content visually. This hobby is empowering people to take control of their mental health, develop clarity, and improve decision-making. With the rising trend of aesthetic productivity and digital minimalism, journaling and mind mapping have become acts of self-care and self-optimization. Anyone with a phone or laptop can start, and the results are both therapeutic and highly visual. DIY digital illustration and pixel art. As AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, there's a counter-trend: human-made digital art with a touch of imperfection. Pixel art, vector doodling, and digital illustrations are seeing a renaissance on platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and community marketplaces such as Gumroad and Etsy. These hobbies are appealing because they require nothing more than a tablet or even a smartphone, and allow creators to share art that is stylized, personal, and visually striking. Hobbyists often begin by recreating nostalgic icons, like 90s-style video game sprites, or drawing abstract representations of moods, memes, or everyday life. The creative freedom combined with instant shareability makes this hobby a favorite among introverts, students, and creators looking for an expressive outlet with little barrier to entry. Language microlearning and voice training. Language learning has shifted from rigid grammar drills to immersive microlearning experiences. Duolingo, Memrise, and newer AI-driven tools have turned language acquisition into a game-like hobby. The twist in 2025 is the growing popularity of voice training as a companion to language learning. Whether someone is prepping for a podcast, refining their accent, or simply enjoying vocal exercises for self-improvement, this combination helps with memory, articulation, and confidence. The popularity of ASMR and podcast culture has made people more voice-conscious, driving this trend forward. It's a rewarding solo activity that promotes discipline, cognitive flexibility, and even social connection in the long run. As a hobby, it enhances communication skills in multiple dimensions, perfect for the modern digital lifestyle. Urban foraging and indoor edible gardening. While full-scale gardening might require outdoor space, urban foraging and indoor edible gardening offer compact, visually satisfying alternatives. In urban environments, people are exploring safe, legal ways to identify and collect wild herbs, mushrooms, and plants from parks and public spaces. Complementing this is the trend of growing herbs like mint, basil, microgreens, and even small citrus trees in jars and hydroponic kits inside apartments. In 2025, this hobby is more than just a return to nature. It's a rebellion against overconsumption and processed living. It satisfies a primal instinct to grow and gather, while also feeding into the zero-waste and slow-living movements. Visually, these setups are aesthetic, from mason jar greenhouses to vertical herb walls, making this hobby both enriching and Instagram-worthy.